So I've had the 4Runner for a few months now. I've got my Bilstein 5100 shocks installed, I've got my wheels and tires on, and the vehicle looks awesome, but it hasn't really been put to the test. It's pretty much lived its life on the pavement so far, and it's time to make that right. And so I've got Chris with me today. We're gonna be taking out for a little adventure. Hopefully find some cool trails and put it to the test a little bit. We don't have a definite route in mind, just kind of a general loop that we're going to be doing, and so the hope is that we see some cool roads along the way and we'll just kind of wander down, hopefully get some cool footage. 4Runner was doing really awesome, and then all of a sudden our road just ended. But this is a really sweet view up here. You can see mountains off in the distance, a bunch of buttes, reservoir down that direction, and then way up there is where we were headed, and then our road just cut out on us. So I don't think we're going to keep going through this. The 4Runner is actually doing quite well. I think our road actually ended a ways back there and just started to get a little bit steep and a little slick with this snow, and we don't want to be destroying the trail if it doesn't keep going. So I think we'll head back down from here, maybe see if there's a different route that we missed coming up. I just wanted to give you a quick look at this view because it is quite incredible. 4Runner looks pretty sweet at the moment too. Those Wrangler Ultra Trains doing pretty nice, grabbing onto this loose terrain and soft snow. So unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and we are out of time. We didn't come anywhere close to doing our full loop. We actually planned it intentionally so that there was a highway halfway through. We could see how we were doing on time, take the highway back if we were a little bit short, and too many distractions along the way. Every 100 feet we were finding other side roads going off, and so we just went down plenty of different roads and found some cool terrain and had a pretty good time. 4Runner did awesome off-road as well. The Goodyear Wrangler Ultra terrains were very impressive in the snow and the soft conditions, as well as some of this rocky terrain. Really impressed with it in that sense. There were a few sections where it got really caked in mud and we were sliding around a little bit, but overall, great traction. A lot of the snow sections we were just in two-wheel drive, and it did very well. Also, really enjoyed the shorter wheelbase that you get in the 4Runner when compared with the Tacoma. It really makes it a lot more comfortable in some of those undulating sections and areas where you may not have as much clearance. So did very well in that sense. Didn't necessarily, reach its limit in any sense. There were a couple sections that were a little bit technical, but nothing too challenging for it, and it certainly didn't struggle in any sense. Definitely I'll have to take it out again at some point to see if we can really test its limits. So for more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.